The New Jersey luxury real estate market is booming. Buyers and sellers, take note. In 2025, New Jersey's luxury real estate market is poised for unprecedented growth. Here's why you can't afford to miss out. Economic shifts and evolving buyer demands have transformed New Jersey's luxury real estate landscape. Let's explore what's driving these changes. From economic stability to migration patterns and groundbreaking local developments, New Jersey's luxury market is becoming a hotspot for affluent buyers. For buyers, it's the perfect time to invest in future-proof homes. Sellers, leverage the high demand to maximize your returns. And investors, don't miss these growth opportunities. New Jersey's luxury market is thriving like never before, says top real estate agent John McLean. The New Jersey luxury market's growth isn't just a trend, it's the future. Stay ahead and make the most of it today. Leave a comment with your thoughts on New Jersey's luxury market or check out our next video to stay informed.